Hi, this is Sanjeev, Senior Faculty at Patsav Academy. So today we're going to talk about a module called Audio Post-Production. So a few of these sub-modules that goes into this major module is the location sound. Location sound is nothing but capturing the dialogues and the ambient sound at the location where you do the shooting. Alright, so various type of microphones, various types of recording equipments. So the students will be exposed to all these kind of equipments at this institute. After all this happens, we come to the recording studio. One of the studios, we call it as dubbing studio. So in the dubbing studio, all those bad quality recordings that happened on location would be re-recorded, and we call that process dubbing. Another process is to record all those sound effects like the chain falling or maybe the glass breaking. All these sound effects that again not recorded on location will be done in the studio by somebody called a Foley artist, and it is called recording the Foley. After all this is done, we have another chunk of work to be done, that is music production, that is the BGM score. So another department takes care of that in the music production, and once we have this music composed and all that, we do the mixing of the BGM score. After that, we get all these various tracks at one location, and there is an engineer called a mixing engineer, the final mixing engineer, or we call him as the RR engineer, re-recording engineer. His job is to mix all these available tracks at appropriate levels, do the appropriate processing, and mix it in the format like stereo, 5.1, 7.1, and today the latest one is the Dolby Atmos. Hope you understand this, and thank you.